Ever wondered how to make your life easier? Well, you're in luck. Life hacks are ingenious solutions to everyday problems, and they're all about making your life more efficient, more manageable, and more fun. These clever tricks and tips can turn complex tasks into simple ones, saving you time, effort, and often a lot of frustration. Imagine having a toolbox filled with creative strategies for all those pesky little challenges that pop up throughout your day. From untangling stubborn knots to peeling hard-boiled eggs with ease, life hacks are the ultimate secret weapon in your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned life hacker or a novice eager to learn, there's always a new trick or tip waiting to be discovered. And today we've got 10 mind-blowing life hacks that are about to change the game for you. Ready to dive into the world of life hacks? Get your notepads ready. First up, we have a simple but effective keyboard cleaning hack. You know those sticky notes that are probably lying around your workspace? They can be your secret weapon against dust and crumbs hiding between your keyboard keys. Here's how it works. Take a sticky note, flip it so the sticky part is facing down, and slide it between the rows of keys. As you glide it along, the sticky part will pick up any debris lurking in those hard-to-reach spots. Repeat the process with a fresh sticky note until you've covered the entire keyboard. This hack is not only effective but also incredibly convenient. You don't need any special tools or cleaning solutions, just a simple office supply that's readily available. Plus, it's quick, so you can do it in between tasks without any interruption to your work. Say goodbye to dusty keyboards with this handy trick. Next, we turn to the magic of vinegar. This humble kitchen staple is a powerhouse of practical uses you may have never imagined. Vinegar, especially the distilled white kind, is a great natural cleaning agent. It cuts through grease and grime with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. But hold on, it doesn't stop there. Tired of unpleasant odors? Vinegar can help. It acts as a deodorizer, neutralizing smells around the house. Simply leave a bowl of white vinegar in the offending area overnight and wake up to a fresh-smelling home. And let's not forget about its role in the laundry room. Adding a few tablespoons of vinegar to your washing can brighten colors and soften fabrics. From the kitchen to the laundry room, and even in the fight against odors, vinegar certainly packs a punch. And the best part, it's cheap and readily available. Who knew vinegar could be so versatile? Moving on, let's explore the power of baking soda. This humble kitchen ingredient is a jack of all trades. Did you know you can use it to clean just about anything? From grubby kitchen surfaces to that stubborn bathroom grime, baking soda is a natural and cost-effective solution. Just make a paste with water and scrub away. But the magic doesn't stop there. Baking soda is also a deodorizing superstar. Stinky fridge or smelly shoes? No problem. Sprinkle a little baking soda and let it do its magic. Moreover, it's a fantastic addition to your beauty routine. Mixed with water, it makes a gentle exfoliating face scrub. You can even use it to brighten your smile. Brush your teeth with it once a week and you'll notice the difference. Incredible, isn't it? The versatility of baking soda is truly astounding. So next time you're at the store, grab an extra box or two. Baking soda, the silent hero of our homes. Ever struggled with peeling boiled eggs? It's a common kitchen dilemma, but here's a life hack that can make your life a whole lot easier. Introducing the power of baking soda. Yes, you heard it right. This common pantry staple can be your secret weapon for perfectly peeled eggs. Here's how it works. The baking soda increases the alkalinity of the water, which in turn makes the eggshell softer and easier to remove. To use this hack, simply add a teaspoon of baking soda to your pot of boiling water before gently lowering your eggs in. Let them boil as you usually would, and then cool them down in cold water. Now for the moment of truth. Start peeling your egg, and you'll notice the shell coming off effortlessly, almost like magic. No more tiny shell fragments sticking to your boiled eggs. This little trick can be a game changer in your kitchen. Enjoy perfectly peeled eggs every time. Need a phone stand in a pinch? No worries. We've got you covered with an ingenious hack that's as simple as it is effective. And the best part? You probably have everything you need right at your fingertips. Imagine this. You're out and about, wanting to watch a video or make a video call, but holding your phone just isn't an option. Enter your sunglasses. That's right, those stylish shades doubling as a sun shield can also transform into a makeshift phone stand. Simply open your sunglasses and lay them upside down on a flat surface. The earpieces act as a stable base, while the bridge becomes a perfect cradle for your phone. Now, you have a handy portable phone stand anywhere, anytime. This hack is all about convenience and utility. It's a game changer for those moments when you need a quick fix. And remember, it's not just about seeing the world through rose-tinted glasses. It's about making life a bit more manageable. Your sunglasses just got a whole lot cooler. Struggling to fill up a narrow-mouthed bottle? Life hack number 6 is just what you need. Introducing the ingenious straw method. Here's how it works. Grab a regular drinking straw and place it inside the bottle, making sure it doesn't touch the bottom. Now, pour your liquid of choice into the straw and watch as it effortlessly fills the bottle. This hack is not just about ease, it's also about control. Ever had a bottle overflow because you poured too quickly? With the straw method, you regulate the flow, eliminating messy spills. Plus, it's perfect for filling up small bottles with narrow openings. Think travel-sized toiletries or refillable perfume bottles. And the best part, it's not just for water. This hack works great with any liquid, from juice to oil, even your homemade sauces. So next time you're faced with a tricky bottle situation, remember the straw method, bottle filling made easy. Want to reheat pizza without making it soggy? Now, we all know that leftover pizza can be a delicious treat, but not when it turns into a soggy mess in the microwave. So, here's a hack that will change your pizza reheating game forever. Instead of using a microwave, grab a pan. Place your slice of pizza in the pan over medium heat. Now here's the trick. Add a few drops of water to the pan, away from the pizza. Cover the pan with a lid. The water will create steam, which helps to melt the cheese and toppings evenly, while the direct heat from the pan will keep that crust nice and crispy. In just a couple of minutes, your pizza is ready, and it's as good as fresh out of the oven. No more soggy crust or cold toppings. This simple hack truly revives the glorious taste and texture of your pizza. Enjoy crispy reheated pizza anytime. Tired of messy paint cans? Well, brace yourself for a mind-blowing life hack that's going to make your painting projects a breeze. Picture this: a humble rubber band stretched across the top of your open paint can. It might not look like much, but this simple setup is a game changer. You see, when you dip your brush in the paint, there's always a bit of excess that needs to come off before you start painting. Rather than wiping it on the edge of the can, creating a mess that inevitably drips on the floor, you can just swipe your brush against the rubber band. This removes the excess paint neatly and efficiently, keeping your paint can clean and your workspace drip-free. Isn't that neat? You can focus on creating your masterpiece without worrying about paint splatters and stained surfaces. So the next time you're set to paint, remember this hack. Say goodbye to paint messes. Need an ice pack that won't leak? Let's dive into life hack number 9. Picture this: a sponge, soaked in water, and then frozen. Sounds simple, right? Well, this isn't just a quirky idea, it's a game changer. This is the ultimate ice pack hack. No more wet messes from melting ice. No more digging around for that elusive ice pack that seems to disappear just when you need it. This hack is all about convenience, efficiency, and being prepared. Soak a sponge in water, squeeze out a little but not all of the excess, then place it in a resealable plastic bag. Pop it in the freezer and voila! You've got a reusable, leak-proof ice pack ready to go whenever you need it. From bumps and bruises to keeping your lunchbox cool, this ice pack hack has you covered. It's simple, it's effective, and it's ready when you are. The ultimate ice pack at your fingertips. Looking for the perfect bookmark? Look no further. This life hack is all about simplicity and convenience. We all know the frustration of losing our place in a good book. And while traditional bookmarks can be lovely, they can also be easily lost or left behind. But we've got a solution that's as practical as it is ingenious. Enter the humble hair tie. Yes, you heard that right. A hair tie can make a fantastic bookmark. It's always within reach, easy to use, and practically impossible to lose. Just wrap it around your book to mark your page. It's as simple as that. The beauty of this hack is in its availability. Hair ties are everywhere. In your bathroom, your bag, your car, even on your wrist. They're flexible, durable, and come in a variety of colors to suit your style. So next time you need to pause your reading, remember this hack. Never lose your page again with this simple hack. And there you have it. 10 mind-blowing life hacks to simplify your life. From a keyboard cleaning trick that will make your keys gleam, to the magic of vinegar as an all-round household cleaner. The power of baking soda in freshening up your fridge, and the perfect egg peel technique that will spare you from those pesky shell bits. Let's not forget the instant phone stand made from a simple paperclip, the easy bottle fill technique to avoid spills, and the quick pizza reheat method to savor your leftovers. The no-mess paint can hack for a cleaner workspace, the ultimate ice pack trick for instant relief, and the perfect bookmark idea that will never lose your place. Each of these hacks are designed to make your day-to-day tasks just a bit easier. So why not give them a try and see the difference they can make? Share your experiences and let's continue to simplify together. Remember, life doesn't have to be complicated. With these life hacks, you're well on your way to a simpler, easier life.